My name is Destiny, I'm in the Air Force, and today we are going to read 5 More Sleeps Till Christmas by Jimmy Fallon. Just 5 more sleeps till Christmas. Can you believe it's here? I know that Santa's coming soon because I've been good all year. 5 more sleeps till Christmas, and I'm not sure I can wait. I got good grades, I fed the dog, and I even cleared my plate. Gary's chew toy Peppy is helping me count sheep. But it's not working, we're still up. We cannot fall asleep. But in this next picture, he is definitely sleeping. Just 4 more sleeps till Christmas, and a visit from Kris Kringle. The halls are decked, the tree is trimmed, and the bells are being jingled. The cocoa's hot inside the mugs, the candy canes are crunched. The popcorn tin is empty because the popcorn's all been munched. Just 4 more sleeps, and then it's here. I have to go to bed. But visions of my favorite toys keep dancing in my head. And you guys see in this picture, he has the coolest telescope, and he has a list. He wants a bike, a guitar, and a spaceship. Now it's 3 more sleeps till Christmas. I'm looking at the snow. I'm watching every snowflake, thinking 3 more sleeps to go. I'm cozy in my bed with lots of Christmas thoughts to think. Just 2 sleeps left when I wake up, but I cannot sleep a wink. But in this picture, he is sleeping again. It's 2 more sleeps till Christmas. Why can't this day be done? If I can get just 1 more sleep, then we'll be down to 1. Just 2 more sleeps to get through. Then Christmas Day will break. Just 1 more sleep plus another sleep. But still, I'm wide awake. 1 more sleep till Christmas. Is this day finally here? I put out Santa's cookies and the milk for his reindeer. I'm snuggled in pajamas and the stockings have been hung. The tree has been unplugged and all the carols have been sung. Just 1 sleep left till Christmas. The day is coming soon. And can it be? I think I saw a sleigh go past the moon. And in this picture, you guys can see it in the telescope, all the reindeer. Today, it's finally Christmas. I run down to the tree. I can't believe it, Santa came, and these gifts are all for me. Merry, Merry Christmas. It's really, truly here. And now I start the countdown. Only 364 more sleeps till next year. The end. That is the end of the book. Thank you guys for reading with me. And that was 5 More Sleeps Till Christmas by Jimmy Fallon. Well, good night. Merry Christmas.